Hello everyone, again this is Nal from Best RV in Turlock, California. This is a nice front living room. Fifth wheel is made by Keystone. What you see behind me is a brand new 2025 Keystone Sprinter 3670 FL. Front living room has the two sofa slide out opposing each other. You have a nice high profile fiberglass cap with LED lights. Coming over here, this is the sofa slide opposing the other side. But what I really like about this floor plan, it has a big, huge power awning with LED light, two outdoor speakers, and it has also outdoor fridge. So if you want to sit down behind, underneath the awning and enjoy the camping, you have a beautiful fridge here for, for beer. uh, Typical Sprinter, they provide you endless hot water heater. It's right here. And then you have the bedroom. So the floor plan work two front living room, two sofa crossing each other with a tier seating, kitchen in the middle, bathroom in the middle, and fall back is a king size bedroom with a almost walk-in closet. And this is to show you there's a storage also underneath the king size bed. And the storage is half from inside and half from outside. Typical in the back, prep for camera, ladder prep, and receivers. You could pull your jet skis, boats, or you could put a bike rack. Again, Sprinters, they provide you with auto leveling system, so you don't have to worry. You can see these legs, and it's electric auto leveling, 220 watt solar panel, inverter prep. And coming over here, you have the pass-through storage. And then if we have opened this compartment, full docking stations, so outside shower hot and cold, cable satellite, sandy flush, all the city water connections right there. And typical Sprinter, you have two propane tank, one on each side, 7-gallon on this side, 7-gallon on the other side. And then this is actually the compartment to prove for you it has auto leveling. In the front, nice LED light, spare tires is underneath here. So you have a full storage here. You could see the solar panel controller, the inverter prep, the tire monitoring prep, and that's where the two batteries go. Now, let's go inside and show you the 3670 FL, the front living room, what they offer you. First, it's right here. Look how deep this slide, how deep the step, and there are 4 steps to get in. Easy to get in, easy to get out, and deeper. And especially when you walk from the door, you have a big spot here to step to it, so you don't have to fall. Some of them, they give you a short step, but the Sprinter, they give you a big one. The beauty about this unit, look how roomy it is. I mean, very deep, very nice. Two hide-a-bed sofa. I sit here really comfy. I enjoy the seating. I could have a nice conversation across the sofa. Both hide-a-bed and both sleep 2 people, so I could sleep 4 people here in this area. And then beautiful theater seating with a cell phone charger. You can see right here. Enjoy seeing. Where's my drink? And then you have a cell phone charger, a place for remote controls, cup holders. You have a room right there. Coming here in the front, you have a beautiful smart TV. And again, it's on a swing bracket. I could swing it to this side. I'll pull more if I want. I just gonna give you an idea if I want to pull this way, I want to pull that way, or push it all the way to the back and leave it in a locking position. Then you have here Bluetooth speakers A and speakers B, as well Bluetooth to the TV. Beautiful fireplace, nice endless shelf, love it. Plugs, cabinet on both sides. Nice counter space, plus you could decoration right there. So this is the 36FL in the front. Now, walking from here, you have a beautiful kitchen, very roomy. If you tell me there's no counter space, look how big the counter space. A nice prepping area on the right side of the stove, left side of the stove, nice 3-burner range, oven, and then you have a country sink, and then a lot of cabinet, deep feature doors on and on, and unbelievable. I love the glass cabinet. It'll give you a really nice look, and it's all the way deep. 30-inch microwave. That's a big deal. And then another storage on the top. And across from this, you have a beautiful table on a 4-chair. Again, the new 25 Sprinter, no legs whatsoever, as you see in my hand. Easy, very roomy. I mean, I could push them back. Where's my lunch? And then next to it, you have 2-door refrigerator, typical for young. Big fridge and big freezer. And then more pantries. This one you could put a coffee maker, toaster, or you don't need to put it there. You just put it right here, because all this is cabinet. You access it both ways. I mean, this unit is cabinet. A lot of counter space, a lot of storage. And then you have walk through the hall. This one has, look how big the shower. Look the nice open mirrors. And look my elbow. Look my height. And there's a place for linens. Closet. And no issue for step on the toilet. My knees. Medicine cabinets underneath. And then you come here to the master bedroom. The beauty about this unit, let me count how many AC you have. One in the bedroom. And so 2 AC unit with a fantastic fan in the kitchen area. The fantastic fan take the smell from the cooking, bring you fresh air. Central AC, 15,000 both of them in the bedroom as well in the living room. Going to the bedroom, you have a beautiful king size bed. Very nice. I like the back board and the king size bed. More storage. Place for a second TV. I could put a second TV here. There's the hookup right there. Big doors, and they're solid. You can see I'm pushing off for socks, underwears. You could put a big stackable washer and dryer or combo. So it's set up for both. If I do stackable, I have to remove the shelf. Washer will be down, dryer's in the top. Or if you just combo unit, I put it right here and I keep this shelf, and you could hang more clothes. Closets. Voila. I could stand in this closet to show you how deep it is and how big it is. I'm inside the closet. Voila. So this unit gives you so much storage. Unbelievable. You have a big closet here, and you could turn this washer dryer cabinet another closet. There's even plug here. Plug in both beds for a breathing machine and so on. Just I stand up the closet to show you how durable this unit. So as you see, this is the 3670 for living room. Perfect unit if you want to live in it. Perfect unit if you like to go extended stay. Perfect unit if you just want to go on camping in a high class. But the major things is we made this unit very affordable. It's in the 60s. You could afford it. You don't have to pay $100,000 like some other dealers for this unit. We have it way less, and we make it affordable. So you can come to Best RV and enjoy that fun living room. Come in.